contract and other documents with Golden Dynasty Motors, Inc. for the procurement of 2 units of howling trucks attached with notice of award, back resolution number 250-098 series of 2025 approved purchase requests and unsigned PO with reference number CP-25-09HT with an award amounting to 5,199 pesos for approval.
Any second? It has been moved by Member Xiao, seconded by Member Pacanya, Member Yang, Member Kumanon. Any comment? Objection?
Any objection? 13 affirmative votes for the said motion.
Thank you, Mr. Chair.
The motion is approved.
Mr. Chair, this respectfully move that the resolution you passed authorizing City Mayor Frederick Xiao to charge the payment of electric bills for the maintenance and the operation of public buildings, streetlights, water pumping stations, and other infrastructure facilities of the government unit against the city share in the proceeds of the national bill. So moved, Mr. Chair.
Any second? It has been moved by Member Yang, seconded by Member Pacanya, Member Kumanon. Any comment? Objection?
Any objection? 13 affirmative votes for the said motion.
The motion is approved.
Thank you, Mr. Chair.
Next item, item number 5, Member Dumonte.
Mr. Chair, endorsing the request of Mayor Frederick W. Xiao to declare as scholarship beneficiaries the 2 additional qualified applicants for the Iligan City Government Scholarship Program for school year 2025-26. So moved, Mr. Chair.
It has been moved by Member Belmonte, seconded by Member Yang, Member Kumanon, Member Xiao, Member Kapampangan. Any discussion? Comment? Objection?
Any objection? 13 affirmative votes for the said motion.
The motion is approved.
Next item, Member Lasabal.
This is a resolution authorizing the City Mayor Frederick W. Xiao to enter into and sign a contract and other documents with Biruban Marketing Incorporated for the procurement of electrical equipment 2 units attached with notice of award, back resolution, and unsigned purchase order with reference number CB B-25-009ME with an award amounting to 3,398,000. So moved.
It's been moved by Member Lasabal, seconded by Member Pacanya, Member Belmonte, Member Shakur, Member Kumanon, Member Ong. Any comment? Objection?
Any objection? 13 affirmative votes for the said motion.
The motion is approved.
Next 2 items, Member Derek Xiao.
For approval, Mr. Chair, this is to authorize City Mayor Frederick V. Xiao to enter into and sign the contract and other documents with Device Software IT Sales and Services Company for the procurement of IT equipment for electronic record archiving and legislative system attached with notice of award, back resolution number 25-096. Series of 2025 approved with PR and unsigned PO with reference number CB 25096 with an award amounting to 4,499 pesos for approval, Mr. Chair. So
This been moved by Member Xiao, seconded by Member Pacanya, Member Belmonte. Any comment? Objection?
Any objection? 13 affirmative votes for the said motion.
The motion is approved.
thank you, Mr. Chair. For number 8, Mr. Chair, this is a letter dated November 4, 2025, authorizing City Mayor Frederick V. Xiao to enter into and sign a deed of donation and acceptance with the Iligan City Government and the Department of Information and Communications Technology for the donation of 4,000 units of tablets in favor of the City of Iligan For approval, Mr. Chair. So,
It has been moved by Member Xiao, seconded by Member Pacanya, Member Imurong. Member Kumunog. Sorry. Any comment? Objection?
Hearing no objection, declare effect 13 affirmative votes for the said motion.
The motion is approved.
thank you, Mr. Chair.
Next item number 9, Member Igo.
Mr. Secretary, good afternoon, Mr. Chairman. I respectfully move for the approval of resolution authorizing City Mayor Frederick W. Xiao to enter into and sign the relief repositioning agreement with the Iligan City Government and the Department of Social Welfare Development, DSWD, relative to the designated relief warehousing facility. I so move, Mr. Chairman.
It has been moved by Member Imurong, seconded by Member Siakor, Member Huertas, Member Kumunog. Any comment? Objection?
Hearing no objection, declare effect 13 affirmative votes for the said motion.
The motion is approved.
Thank you.
We go to item number 10, Member Young.
Thank you, Sir Attorney. It is respectfully moved, Mr. Chair, that the resolution be passed authorizing City Mayor Frederick W. Xiao to enter into and sign the contract of service with Miss CTC Oano RN to be assigned as Nurse 3 at the Gregorio P. Lewis Memorial Hospital in accordance with the rating period as reflected in the contract and subject to applicable government accounting and auditing rules and regulations. So, Mr. Chair.
Any second? It has been moved by Member Yang, seconded by Member Pacanya, Member Belmonte, Member Siakor, Member Kumunog. Any comment? Objection?
Hearing no objection, declare effect 13 affirmative votes for the said motion.
The motion is approved.
Thank you, Mr. Chair.
Next item, addendum, item number 11 for Member Derek Xiao.
Good afternoon again, Mr. Chair. This is a letter dated November 4, 2025, requesting for the passage of a resolution supporting and endorsing the continuation by the Department of Public Works and Highways of the identified projects in Iligan City, taken from the updated annual procurement plan for fiscal year 2025. For approval, Mr. Chair. So,
It has been moved by Member Xiao, seconded by Member Pacanya, Member Yang. Any comment? Objection?
Hearing no objection, declare effect 13 affirmative votes for the said motion.
The motion is approved.
thank you, Mr. Chair.
We go to the addendum, 3 items for Member Young.
Mr. Chair, disrespectfully move that the resolution be passed authorizing Honorable City Mayor Frederick W. Xiao to enter into and sign the contracts of services with Ms. Trina M. Tabuelo to be assigned at the Gregorio P. Lewis Memorial Hospital as Nurse 3. Contract of service with Mr. July D. Abadilla to be assigned to the City Accountant's Office as Special Operations Executive Assistant 1. And Ms. Maribel Iscoto to be assigned as Nurse 1 at the City Health Office in accordance with the rating period as reflected in their respective contracts and subject to the applicable government accounting and auditing rules and regulations. So move, Mr. Chair.
It has been moved by Member Yang, seconded by Member Pacanya, Member Siakor. Any comment? Objection?
Hearing no objection, declare effect 13 affirmative votes for the said omnibus motion.
The motion is approved.
Thank you, Mr. Chair.
We go to the next item, letter J, committee reports. First item, Member Igo.
Mr. Chairman, I move for the approval of my committee report as committee chairperson on the TRRM. On the public hearing to discuss the proposed ordinance entitled an ordinance strengthening youth participation and representation in local disaster reduction management in the city of Iligan, held on Thursday, September 11, 2025, at the conference room, 4th floor of the Pedro P. General Legislative Building. I so move, Mr. Chairman, for this.
Any second. It has been moved member Rigorong, seconded by member Yang, member Xiao, member Kumunog, member Caballero, member Kapampangan, member Del Monte. Any comment? Objection. The motion is approved.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman.
Next item number 2, Member Paganya.
Chairman, move to approve the committee report adopted last October 20, 2025 at the conference room for floor of Federal Legislative Building related to an ordinance institutionalizing a drug-free workplace policy. The local government unit of Legion City, including its protocol programs and providing guidelines for its implementation, monitoring, and enforcement and for other purposes. So, Mr. Chairman.
Any second. It has been moved by member Pacanya, seconded by member Kapampangan, member Kumunog. Any comment? Discussion? Objection? Hearing none, the motion is approved.
Next item, we go to calendar business. First item, unfinished business, Committee on Finance.
This is an ordinance endorsing fiscal year 2026 annual investment program for general fund amounting to 5,496,300,324 and special account amounting to 924,626,058 pesos. Tumog.
Mr. Chairman. Any second. It has been moved by member Sabal, seconded by member Pacanya, member Shakur, member Kumunog. Any comment? Discussion? Yes, member Wei.
Mr. Chair, I would like to manifest of an objection regarding the annual investment reference code number 8000-2-028, retrofitting of the city public market with amount of 100 million. Since this item, Mr. Chair, there is an ongoing litigation, so my vote to this item is no, and the rest is yes.
Noted, member Wei. Yes, member Ong.
Mr. Chair, I also manifest the vote in this item.
Noted, member. Yes, member Kapampangan.
I will have the same manifestation together with Councilor Anthony and Councilor Randy Mr. Chair. Thank you.
Noted, member. Any more comments? Objection?
We go to nominal voting, Mr. Chairman.
Yes.
We go to voting by roll call since this is approval of the annual investment program. Member Kapampangan?
Yes.
Member Derek Xiao? Member Pacanya?
Yes.
Member Yang?
Yes.
Member Huertas?
Yes.
Member Belmonte?
Yes.
Member Uy?
Yes, except item 8000-2-01-8918-028, retrofitting of the city public market.
Noted.
Member Ong?
Yes, also. Manifest also to vote this item.
Member Limborong?
Yes.
Member Larasabal? Member Shakur? Member Kumunog? Member Caballero? We have 13 affirmative votes, Mr. Chairman.
The motion is approved.
We go to the next item, business of the day. First three items, Member Shakur.
Mr. Chairman, this is the resolution. First endorsement dated October 10, 2025, is Magdalena Rodrigo, City Budget Officer, forwarding the calendar year on budget of Barangay Ubadulaya with annual investment plan 22,418,350. Barangay Abuno 9,333,453. Barangay Panluganan 4,357,758. Is so
It has been moved by Member Shakur, seconded by Member Yang, Member Ong, Member Umunog, Member Belmonte. Any comment? Objection?
Hearing no objection, be verified. 13 affirmative votes for the said omnibus motion.
The motion is approved.
We go to the next item, letter D, Member Uy.
Proposed resolution authorizing City Vice Mayor Ernest Oliver Singui to allow the City Treasurer's Office to utilize the unused generator allocated for the Sangguniang Panglusod House of the back of the City Hall in Building. Subog, Mr. Chair.
It has been moved by Member Uy, seconded by Member Kapampangan, Member Pacanya, Member Ong, Member Shakur, Member Umunog, Member Huertas. Any comment? Objection?
Hearing no objection, be verified. 13 affirmative votes for the said motion.
The motion is approved.
We go to the next item, Member Paganya. 30.
A resolution authorizing City Mayor Frederick Gabulisao to formally request a financial assistance to the Secretary of the Department of Budget and Management for the acquisition of environmentally compliant incinerator in the amount of 188 million to strengthen the solid waste management system of Buligan City. Sumunod, Mr. Chairman.
In a second. It has been moved by Member Pacanya, seconded by Member Belmonte, Member Huertas, Member Umunog. Any comment? Objection?
Hearing no objection, be verified. 13 affirmative votes for the said motion.
The motion is approved.
Next two items, Member Yang.
Mr. Chair, this will be co-authored by Councilor Renanda M. Kumano. I would like to move this in mass motion unless there is an objection. The resolution expressing full endorsement and unequivocal support for the continued assignment of Ms. Princess Almera Guzman as the provincial of the National Commission on Muslim Religious NCMF Buligan City Field Office. A mass motion, Mr. Chair.
Mass motion is approved.
Next item, Member Yang.
This is the proposed ordinance. I'd like to put this for approval at first reading, Mr. Chair. An ordinance further amending sections 3, 7, and 8 of City Ordinance number 2414 series of 1993, 7 and 8 of City Ordinance number 2414 series of 1994, and section 5 and 10 of City Ordinance number 095546 for first reading. So move, Mr. Chair.
First reading is approved.
Next two items, Member Larazaban.
This is an ordinance authorizing for the temporary closure of portion of the Leon Street, Barangay Poblacion, from the junction of Duke Street to Rojas Avenue, starting November 23, 2025 until December 30, 2025, daily from 4 p.m. to 10 p.m. in celebration of the 2025 Women's Bazaar held in conjunction with Pascuhan sa Iligan 2025. For first reading,
First reading is approved.
Mr. Chair, I would like to dispense the second and move to the third and final reading.
It has been moved by Member Sabal, seconded by Member Pacanya. Any comment? Objection?
Hearing no objection, be heard by 13 affirmative votes for the said ordinance and 30 in final reading.
The motion is approved.
Number one, Mr. Chairman, an ordinance authorizing for the temporary closure of the roads affected by the Bonifacio Hall Marathon 2025, which will start at 1:30 a.m. and ends at 8 a.m. at the Nahaw Amphitheater on November 30, 2025 for first reading. So moved.
First reading is approved.
I'd like to dispense and move for the third and final reading.
This been moved by Member Sabal, seconded by Member Kanya. Any comment? Objection?
Hearing no objection, be heard by 13 affirmative votes for the said ordinance and 30 in final reading.
The motion is approved.
Next two items, Member Riboro.
Mr. Chairman, I move for the approval of proposed ordinance entitled an ordinance institutionalizing and integrating the legal citizen armed forces reserve corps into the illegal city disaster management system pursuant to Republic Act number 7077, otherwise known as the Citizen Armed Forces of the Philippines Reservist Act, and Republic Act number 10121, otherwise known as the Philippine Disaster Management Act of 2010. I so move, Mr. Chairman, for first reading.
First reading is approved.
Another, Mr. Chairman, I move for the approval of the proposed ordinance for first reading, entitled an ordinance amending ordinance number 20-693, series of 2020, which created the legal city disaster management department by providing for its organizational structure, creating additional legal positions, prescribing its staffing pattern, appropriating funds therefore, and for other purposes. I so move, Mr. Chairman, for first reading.
First reading is approved.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman.
Next two items, the new Member Derek Show.
For first reading, Mr. Chair, this is a proposed ordinance entitled an ordinance institutionalizing the comprehensive emergency program for children in the city of Iligan, providing funds therefor and for other purposes. So moved, Mr. Chair.
First reading is approved.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. For letter N, this is for approval, Mr. Chair. This is a proposed resolution entitled Resolution Requesting the City Administrator's Office Information and Communication Technology Center to include resolutions in or ordinances of great relevance to the community to be flashed on the LED display. So moved, Mr. Chair.
This is moved by Member Xiao, seconded by Member Yang, Member Puno, Member Del Monte. Any comment? Objection? Hearing none, the motion is approved.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. For letter N, for approval, Mr. Chair, this is a resolution entitled a resolution authorizing the local government offices to access the Sangguniang Panglungsod database of resolutions and ordinances and prescribing user roles and documents handling protocols. So moved, Mr. Chair.
Any second? It has been moved by Member Xiao, seconded by Member Shakor, Member Nguru. Any comment? Objection?
Hearing no objection, be heard by 13 affirmative votes for the said motion.
The motion is approved.
Thank you, Mr. Chair.
Next item, the new Member Lasota.
This is an ordinance authorizing for the temporary closure of portion of the Billy Avenue, Mercado Street, former Galis area only, Aguinaldo Street, Central Market front of A and B building, Ortula Street and Quezon Avenue, Bastayan Creek, in order for the members of the First Iligan United Vendors Association or IDUMA and other vendors association to display their goods from December 10 to 31, 2025 by adding Ramiro Street as one of the streets for Cuba and other vendors association to display their goods from 9 a.m. to 10 p.m. So for first reading.
First reading is approved.
I would like to dispense the second and move of third and final reading. So moved.
It's been moved by Member Sabal, seconded by Member Pacanya, Member Yang, Member Xiao, Member Shakur. Any comment?
Mr. Sultan, I would like to join motion with the
Noted. Any objection?
Hearing no objection, required by 13 affirmative votes for the ordinance, third and final reading.
The motion is approved.
Next item, the Luke Member Kapampangan.
Good afternoon, Mr. Chair. This is a proposed resolution. A resolution reenacting the celebration of the National Children's Month every November in support of the Republic Act number 10661 and in commemoration of the adoption of the United Nations Convention on the Rights of the Child for approval. So moved, Mr. Chair.
This will move by Member Kapampangan, seconded by Member Pacanya. Member Imburong. Member Pumano, sorry. Member Xiao. Member Caballero. Any comment?
I would like to add, Mr. Chair, I would like to call for Councilor Derek Shaw for this resolution, Mr. Chair.
Noted. Objection.
Hearing no objection, required by 13 affirmative votes for the said motion.
The motion is approved.
Next item, we go to item number 3, measures on second and third reading. Member Pacanya.
Thank you, Mr. Secretary, Mr. Chairman. This is an ordinance institutionalizing drug-free workplace in the local government unit of the Median City, including its 44 barangays, and providing guidelines for its implementation, monitoring, and enforcement for other purposes. And Ms. Layton, kindly delete Section 5, definition of terms, letter X, alcohol, smoking, and substance involvement screening test. So, Mr. Chairman, for second reading.
Any second? This will move by Member Pacanya, seconded by Member Shakur, Member Pumano, Member Huertas. Any comment? Objection?
Hearing no objection, required by 13 affirmative votes for the said ordinance on second reading.
Since there was no objection or comment, we would like to proceed to the third and final reading of this ordinance, Mr. Chairman. So,
Any second? Has been moved by Member Pacanya, seconded by Member Imburong, Member Ong. Any comment? Objection?
Hearing no objection, required by 13 affirmative votes on the said ordinance on third and final reading, Mr. Chair.
The motion is approved.
We go to the next item, privilege R. Hearing none, we go to the next information hour. Hearing none, we go to the next question hour. Hearing none, next, we go to announcement.
Our next session will be on November 18, 17, Monday, 10 o'clock in the morning. November 17, 10 o'clock a.m. After the flag raising. In motion to adjourn.